You trust Vercel with your code, your secrets, your whole application infrastructure. They pitched speed, simplicity, and an edge network. They owned Next.js, the framework that runs half the internet. Then, on April 19, 2026, Vercel handed the keys to the kingdom to the wrong people. 30,000 families just learned their API keys were worth less than a pile of GPUs. You thought your sensitive environment variables were actually safe? Think again. The hackers walked off with NPM tokens, GitHub tokens, source code, and API access keys to internal deployments. 580 Vercel employee records, names, emails, account statuses, all dumped. Internal linear project data, internal user management system data. This wasn't some minor leak. This was a digital gutting. And Vercel, a company worth $3.25 billion, got caught with its pants down. The threat actor, claiming to be shiny hunters, posted on breach forums. $2 million, they demanded. A pittance for access to the backbone of modern JavaScript deployment. A ransom note nailed to Vercel's multi-billion-dollar chest. Vercel's response? They didn't call the FBI. They didn't lock down their systems and tell everyone what happened. They jumped on Telegram, messaged the hackers directly, like it was a Craigslist negotiation for a beat-up couch. Screenshots of that cozy Telegram chat soon hit the internet. The hackers were literally taunting Vercel. Meanwhile, Vercel's executives were probably sweating through their $600 hoodies. This isn't a security response. It's a bad sitcom. Vercel told you to rotate your environment variables immediately, because anything you hadn't explicitly marked sensitive was exposed. OpenAI keys, database credentials, Stripe secrets, stored in plain text, just waiting for someone to grab them. And how many of you actually use that sensitive flag? Be honest. Most developers never touch it. A single checkbox, the only thing separating your app's deepest secrets from the dark web. Vercel left that to user oversight. This wasn't just Vercel's problem. This was your problem. Vercel owns Next.js, the most popular React framework with over 6 million weekly NPM downloads. Hulu, Twitch, TikTok, GitHub, Airbnb, they all rely on it. A poisoned Vercel meant a poisoned software supply chain. The potential to weaponize those stolen NPM tokens could have corrupted every Next.js app on Earth. From the corner startup to enterprise giants. A single breach, a global catastrophe averted by pure luck, or maybe just a hacker's whim. Shiny hunters, the group claiming responsibility, are known for their breach then ransom model. They hit Ticketmaster for 560 million records. Snowflake for 165 customer tenants, Rockstar Games for 80 million records. These aren't script kiddies. This is a multinational data syndicate. Though, the plot thickens. Other groups associated with the Shiny Hunters brand denied involvement to Bleeping Computer. Maybe it was a copycat. Or maybe the original Shiny Hunters just didn't want the heat for poisoning the entire web's front end. Vercel's bulletin said a limited subset of customers were impacted. Translation: don't panic, but check your logs immediately because we don't know the full extent, and we need you to do our job for us. Your trust? Now it's a liability. They built an empire on developer trust and convenience. Deploy front-end apps in seconds, they promised. Build the future, they said. But the future they delivered had plaintext database credentials just ripe for the picking. This isn't a new story. We saw the WA-parser.js supply chain attack back in 2021. But Vercel? This is 10 times the scale. A single point of failure for millions of applications. The modern web's critical infrastructure, compromised. The gov taunt left in HTTP headers by these kinds of groups is a slap in the face to law enforcement. They're building proprietary ransomware as a service, using AI for voice phishing. This isn't just about data anymore. It's about systemic control. Vercel's valuation soared to $3.25 billion. Guillermo Roch, the founder, became a tech darling. But a single, fundamental security oversight on environment variables, coupled with this breach, turns that golden reputation to ash. They sold you a Lamborghini and gave you a bicycle with a flat tire and a sticker that says, "Contents may be stolen." And you're still pedaling. This wasn't just a hack. This was a liquidation sale on developer trust. Your data was the currency.